Hey everyone, in this video we're going to check out the Whitestone Dome Lappi case for the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now this case promises a bunch of features, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now let's just unbox this first and see the case. So in here it is just a case. It's quite thick, the plastic are actually quite thick, and it is a big case for the phone. Now first up, the case is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so double check your phone model before grabbing one of these. So I'm gonna peel out the plastic cover right here. There is also a inner plastic cover you need to pull out. And then I'm going to place the phone inside. It is easily to place the phone inside this case. Looking good. The cuts out for the buttons, speakers, and charging ports all seem nice and precise. I can easily access everything without any annoying fumbling. Speaking of buttons, the case doesn't affect button responsiveness at all. They click in perfectly, so if I press on the volume up key, everything is nice and gentle. The side button works correctly. I can easily remove the S Pen button and insert it. The charging ports have plenty of space for different charger cable, and the cutout for the speaker is spot on. At the back here, it has a MagSafe compatibility, a big plus. Now this is a big selling point for some folks. MagSafe compatibility. Whitestone boasts using N52 magnets, the strongest grade of neodymium magnets. Now if you need to place your phone to a charger or stick it to your dashboard, this MagSafe is absolutely helpful. The case also has a crystal clear and anti-yellowing. Let's see, the case is clear, which lets you show off the original beauty of your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Whitestone also claims it's anti-yellowing and resists stains and sweat. Now obviously I can't test that for years to come in this video, but the case does feel like high quality material, so hopefully it stays clear for a long time. Now in terms of the grip and feel of the case has a nice smooth feel that's easy to hold. It's not too slippery, but it also doesn't add a ton of bulk, which is great. It seems to strike a good balance between grip and comfort. Now Whitestone touts this case as offering a strong protection. It's a hybrid design with a hard PC back for scratch resistance and a flexible TPU bumper for shock absorption. Now it feels very sturdy, and there is a raised bezel on the edge here, which can protect your camera from getting scratches when you are placing your phone on a flat table surface like this. So here is the raised bezel. You can see it's flat with the camera, so when you place it on the table like this, it does not cause scratch to the camera lens. So what's the verdict on the Whitestone Dome Lappi case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Now overall, I'm impressed. It offers precise cutout, excellent MagSafe compatibility, a clear design, has a good grip and solid protection. If you are looking for a case that checks all those boxes, this could be a great option for you. I can even confidently drop it on the table without worrying about that it's going to break the front screen or the camera. So I can just check on the table and I can quite comfortably feel that it's going to protect my phone. Now, As always, thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comment below if you have any questions about the Whitestone Dome Lappi case. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.